Mastering the Art of Impromptu Speaking. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting session on our English language learning journey. Today, we will focus on a fascinating aspect of public speaking, impromptu speaking. It can often be nerve-wracking, but with the right strategies, you can excel at it. In this video, we will share some vital tips to help you become a pro at impromptu speaking. So, let's get started. First things first. What exactly is impromptu speaking? It's a type of public speaking where you are asked to speak on a topic without any prior preparation. Sounds challenging, right? But fear not. Let's discover how to tackle this type of speaking head-on. In impromptu speaking, listening is as critical as speaking. You need to listen carefully to the question or topic you are being asked to speak about. This will allow you to fully understand what is required of you and help you to construct a relevant and engaging response. Structure is the backbone of your speech. Start with a brief introduction, where you state the topic and give a hint of your stance or main idea. Follow this with the body of your speech, presenting your ideas, supporting them with examples, facts, or anecdotes. Finally, conclude your speech by summarizing your main points and wrapping everything up neatly. This structure provides a roadmap for your thoughts, making your impromptu speech more effective. Impromptu speaking is all about thinking on your feet. Practice quick thinking by exposing yourself to situations where you need to respond immediately. A great way to do this is by participating in debate clubs, joining discussion groups, or even playing improv games. Being confident in your abilities and maintaining a natural delivery is key. Remember, it's okay not to know everything. So, relax, take your time to think, and try to speak in a natural, conversational manner. The more relaxed and confident you are, the more engaging your impromptu speech will be. That's all for today, folks. We hope you find these tips helpful and incorporate them into your impromptu speaking practices. Remember, like any skill, it takes time and practice to master impromptu speaking. Don't shy away from opportunities to speak spontaneously, and keep on learning and improving. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.